Look at naked guy. Oh, snap. Good morning, everybody. The local time is 10 a.m. That is right. I got sleep last night. I got like 7 hours and I am stoked right now. Also, a funny little thing happened. You hear Maverick squawking downstairs. Give me a sec, buddy. I'm coming. Funny little thing happened last night. I made a taco. Check it out. Was that cool? I just slept in my beanbag and I either made a taco or a giant butt crack. I'm not sure which one. Coolest thing I've done today so far. Let's go get the day started. Oh! Maverick! Hi! Good morning, people. Yeah? Good morning. Okay, you're gonna keep interrupting me? That's okay, cool. The f you say, bro? You got some guts, bird! Wow! Why after I shower do I look like that guy from Home Alone after he gets electrocuted? Like any normal 21-year-old boy does, I went to the fridge this morning to see what's popping, and what do I see? Yo, what the f is this, Mark? What are you doing, bro? Dude, what is this brown banana syrup half blueberry bag mix thing? Mark, what could this possibly be? What are you doing with this concoction? What kind of bananas you eat, bro? Okay, you know, everyone has different opinions and stuff. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion and their own crusty ass rotten bananas. My opinion for breakfast is gains! Yeah.
You're full of energy, man. Really.
Dude, my energy is hot right now.
I can feel it.
I'm vibing.
Body language, energy, that's what you give.
Really?
That's what I got it.
That's amazing, bro. It's all about good energy. As I eat my Gains Bowl and drive to this podcast that I'm doing, I'm uploading yesterday's vlog. Let me tell you about the grind. Don't fall, damn it.
God fucking damn it!
Hey, you okay, camera? No, you be taking those hard falls. You're a tough one. Good boy. This is how you show up in style. Yeah.
Logan!
Yeah.
Of course you're rolling in here.
I have to. Guys, it's Peyton List, everybody.
Hi, guys!
Peyton List. Looking beautiful, as always.
This is like my second time in your vlog.
I know. Peyton,
so
I don't know how to tell you this, but you're gonna be famous.
Wait, are you serious?
This vlog will make you famous. Why does everyone hate on the hoverboard, man? It's 2016. It is the future, bro.
I haven't been to one in a while. Last time I rode one, I was wasted. I did great.
Really?
Yeah, it was like, I tried the next day and sober, and it only worked out.
Yeah! Oh, spun so fast, my camera nearly snapped in two. Let's kill the freckle. Every time I go into makeup, they remove my nose freckle. I actually have a line of freckles like this one down the center of my body. There's one under my belly button. There's one on the underside of my penis.
Spell it.
H-A... No. H-A-W-G-H.
Okay.
We're going inside the studio, Peyton. Ooh. You know how I know that? It says it right there. Wow, this is amazing. Hold up. Yo, I'm a big boy.
What about that red one? I dare you to go.
That little red one over there. How am I gonna fit in these? This is so small. These are all so small. I don't know how I'm gonna fit in this. You both fit in those great. By the way, Alexis, what's up? You're on the vlog. This is just...
Yeah.
Wow. I'm struggling. Girls are already bonding. I'm already like out of the loop in my little chair. This is gonna be a rough one. This is a dope set though. It's so amazing. Alright guys, we'll see in a bit. We just podcasted so hard. Come here, give me a hug.
Really hardcore
we podcasted so hard.
Look how tall you are and how small I am.
You're tiny. How tall?
5'2".
6'2", baby. What's up? You really hit me hard right in the face. Whoa, nice rocket, bro.
Oh, thank you.
That's dope. Not gonna lie, your nips are a little hard and I felt it on the back of my hand. Goodbye, Peyton Liz.
Bye, Logan Paul.
Goodbye. First podcast ever. You killed it.
Thank you. That was so cool.
You're gonna be my Hollywood little sister, I think. I just decided.
Really?
We could totally do it.
I'm so happy. So do I have to call you bro or do I have to say like you bro?
You'd be like, yo, what's up, bro? Peyton and I are gonna be in New York this weekend doing promo for the thinning. Comic-Con, baby.
I've never been. Have you been?
I've never been.
Should we dress up or something?
Oh! We have to. It's Comic-Con. If you guys are in New York, come to Comic-Con this Saturday.
Meet us. I think we're doing like a meet and greet. And
we are. And I'm gonna post it everywhere. I want to pack the stage, Peyton.
Whoa. And you know I'm from New York, so.
Oh my God! We'll see you guys this Saturday.
All right, New Yorkers. We'll see you there.
Come out, baby. Unfortunately, hoverboards don't go downstairs, so that's what's happening now. But thank God it's only 5 stairs. Once again, I have a quick scene today where I believe I'm getting inked in the face again, like splattered, inked in the face.
Oh, you guys made me eat.
Good news is it's a quick scene, so I'm gonna get in, I'm gonna get out, go home, who knows? I finally have like a night free, I feel like. Maybe I'm gonna lift, Maybe I'll watch a movie. There's just so many options, man. I'm freaking out. My guy. My guy. What's up, my guy? What do you think of my energy?
Yeah, I know. I see it.
Alright, peace, homie. Alright, what's poppin'? What's everyone doing? I'm roaming. This is where we're shooting? Wow. Wow. Ah! Touch my knuckles to signify bonding. You too, man. Come on, Bennett. I'll still make an explosion when we touch. It'll be sick. They hate me on my hoverboard. They hate me in general, but more when I'm on my hoverboard. So I'm back in my pod. Check it out, the good old pod. And what's one of the first things I see? Another motherfucking polo. God fucking damn it! Why? I hate polos. Why does this character dress like a freaking chalk? Look at all these flags. Yep. Here on the set of Foursome, we accept everyone. From any race, any culture, we will accept you right here, right in our hearts and our white polos.
Nobody likes you, so.
I would argue, but you're so right. Bro, I'm off my hoverboard and I got my wardrobe on. Are you happy?
I love you.
I hate myself. This is terrifying. This is so, what the heck? No bueno. Why would someone put this in here, bro? Why would someone put this in here? Let me replay what I just happened. I open the door, I go, oh, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. It's just so and I still gotta pee, so this is gonna be interesting. What the heck is my life? Oh snap, where are the makeup artists? That's not, you're not a makeup artist, bro.
No.
Just my height.
I've been waiting. I invented this new thing today.
What'd you do?
It's a sound. You go,
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
do you guys like it?
I do. Yeah.
Nice. This is also the second time we've gotten makeup today.
The second time?
Yeah? What
Yeah.
else did you
Oh,
do
you just came from
today?
the show?
Yeah, it came from a podcast.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's whatever, honestly. Promoting my movie, The Thrilling, coming out to YouTube Red October 12th. Yeah, but I'm not advertising or promoting it. I'm just letting you know, of course. Yeah, of course. And if you want to watch it, you know, YouTube Red October 12th. Oh snap! In the show, we shoot on a stage. You know, sometimes like yesterday, we went to an ice cream parlor. We went to a house. But normally we shoot on what is a stage. They built the school here, and guess what? They built my room, my character's room. The polos may suck, but the room is savage. But let's see what we got here. You guys are going on this tour with me. Oh, socks? Hell yeah. America, yes please. I don't know where the red is in red, white, and blue, but you know, it's cool. Got a hashtag, you already know what it is. Hashtag vlog, dude. We got a little duck, that's cool. Trophies, cause all I do is win, no matter what. Come on, okay, I'm done with that. Football, panda.
I got broads in London.
Alright, I'm done with that too. Look at this gun. Video games, you know it. One way, and that way is up. And my personal favorite. Savage, son! Yeah, I vibe with this room. Vibe heavy.
Toy.
What are you?
I'm a leprechaun.
No, like as a human being, what are you? This is one of the writers of the show. She's dressed as a leprechaun. Can I ask why?
Because I'm a stoner lesbian and I'm Ireland.
In real life or in the show?
The show.
Oh. So you wrote yourselves in so you could get screen time?
Yeah, idiot. What's the
Oh.
point of
Dude, this is the weirdest set of my life. But I'm gonna be real with you guys. I love it. I really do. Oh snap. Yo, is there a naked guy on screen? Get out of my way, I wanna see naked guy. Oh snap. I respect a man with good physique. Yo, what the, who is moving? This guy, this creepy guy. Why? Who put him here and why? Nope, can't do it, sorry. Damn. Yo, what is this, a TV set? Come on, that's amazing. I'm out here acting, bro. Are you with my sister? Acting. What's up, my name is Logan Paul and I do boss shit. Never mind. I'm a beast! Sorry guys. So you guys remember a couple of vlogs ago when I touched some props that said specifically do not touch these props. Props, no touch. I swear to God if you touch these props. What did you say to me earlier?
Oh, well, I was gonna pay you back for touching my props.
Nice.
This.
You should have listened to the song, bro. How do you feel? I feel like I just got inked in the face, bro. Wow, I'm a I'm a hot, inky mess. I'm gonna go get changed and then get swole with my boy George Gianco. We out here. We out here. I'm vlogging. We out here. That was a warm-up. We did 15 minutes on the elliptical. Not too hard on the joints, which is why I like it. Yeah, I'm an old man. Got these creaky ass joints. Gains? Get a boy.
Oh, this thing?
Oh, wow, that's nothing, bro.
I call this the rotator cuff.
Wow, that's impressive, bro. That's my boy right there. That's my boy getting swole, son. Shit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there's a wrap on today. It is a Christmas miracle that I did not get kicked out of the gym.
You're saying it's a Christmas miracle. It's not even October yet.
It's a Halloween miracle. What do you want? What do you want from me, bro? And you don't even have your months right. Before you get my vlog, how about you get your life together, alright? You wouldn't know this vlog life. Hashtag vlog do. That is it for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. As per usual, give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you tomorrow. Peace. Yeah. Oh.